Thanks, Kelly, for flying all the way to Malaysia. So I hope you have a great time over here. So how does Red Hat technology make MES deployments scalable and easier?
I think that's a great question. One, I do have to comment that I love our partnership and the level of engagement we have within the market together. When I talk about what our technology really does is when you think about our platform, it's really providing containers, which is allowing for the ease of deployment for your system. And in particular, I know that you talk quite a bit about how to kind of do almost like agile development of the MES system. That whole concept lends very nicely into containers, because when you do agile deployment, you're going to focus on one specific element of the system and work on that. That is a container then that can run through the development pipeline to then be deployed on our overall platform. And so the whole concept of how you are starting to educate customers on new development standards is exactly what our platform was based on. So it's a really good complement together.
Thanks for all the insights. The next question is, what one piece of advice for manufacturers hesitant about modernization their IT infrastructure?
Well, I can understand, and modernizing anything is all about change, and so that change is very challenging for people to kind of accept. But when you go through the process, as painful as it may feel at times, to modernize the infrastructure, it now not just gives you the opportunity to run a modern MES system differently, but a way to run a historian differently, the way to set up data pipelines, all the integration that you were talking about to the MES, that can all be set up very differently, which is going to allow the business to move much faster, and future innovation like bringing AI to the table, or even some transformation within their control strategies.
Thanks a lot. Thanks for all the insights. I hope you enjoy the stay in Malaysia. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Thanks.